Making up this everyday skirt is my new sew-along project to be published next. I have had this length of the very softest corduroy for many years, and this is the perfect pattern for it. I will certainly be wearing this every day. It will carry me through till the end of spring. I made the first version in this lightweight Italian wool. The pattern is so versatile. The pattern is already available to download for members of AngelaKane.com, and non-members can buy it. Shortly, you will be able to watch me making the corduroy version from start to finish. It features inseam pockets with pocket flaps, informal unpressed pleats, so perfect for soft corduroy. And finishing with hooks, hand-worked loops and a press stud for good measure. I have the very best method for sewing in a concealed zip. A skirt that is perfect for every day at work, every day at home, and every day for work from home. The sew-along is up next, but you can download this pattern now and many more from AngelaKane.com. Subscribe to my channel for news of updates, and please visit my site for more information on sewing patterns, tutorials and sewing ebooks. Thank you very much for watching this video.